Hello friends, today I will discuss about Rolle's theorem. Let's start statement. If fx is a function defined on closed interval a, closed interval b, state that fx is continuous in closed interval a, closed interval b, and fx is differential in open interval a, comma open interval a b, and also fa is equal to f of b. So then at least one point here c, this belongs to a comma b. For this c point here, f dash c will be 0. And let's say proof. Okay, given that fx is continuous in closed interval a, closed interval b, then Moster's theorem, fx attains its maximum and minimum value. So there arise two possibility, two cases. Okay, so first case, if maximum and minimum value are equal, just say equal, f of a is equal to f of b. So f of x is constant function. So just made a tangent here. So see point here. So f of a is equal to f of b, that means f of x is constant because 2 point, for 2 point its value is same. So f dash x is obviously 0 for all x belongs to a comma b, close interval a comma close interval b. So c here, one point c belongs to a comma b. For this c point, f dash c is equal to 0 because for all x belongs to a comma b is equal, for all x belongs to a comma b, f dash x is always 0. So f dash c also 0. After that, case number 2, when they are not same, if maximum and minimum value are distinct. Suppose f of x is maximum at c. Okay, then c, then f of c plus h minus f of c and f of c minus h minus f of c, both are negative. Okay, just see here, a point, b point, and here c our maximum point. So just assume this distance h. So this total will be c plus h. Okay, because this part is h and this part also h. So just assume this distance is c. After that you can see that here is c plus h and this one c minus h. So this part is c minus h. Okay, this part c minus h. After that you see f of c is maximum here, and this, and f of c plus h and f of c minus h is less than f of c. Okay, so then f of c plus h minus f of c and f of c minus h minus f of c, both are negative. Why? Because f of c plus h and f of c minus h, both are lesser than f of c, because f of c here top and f of c minus h this peak, and f of c plus h is this one, and f of c is greater. Okay, so here these both are negative. Okay, both are negative where h is small. Okay, after that let's see here, hence f of c plus h minus f of c by h less than equal to 0 because this part is negative, and f of c minus h minus f of c by minus h greater than equal to 0 because this part is negative and negative by negative, that means positive. So this is greater or equal to 0. Taking limit h tends to 0 of both, we have limit h tends to 0 f of c plus h minus f of c by h less than equal to 0. So this is our right hand part. Okay, so r f dash c less than 0, but here limit h tends to 0 for this case, f of c minus h minus f of c by minus h is greater than equal to 0. So L left side here, L f dash c greater than equal to 0. So it's not same. So from 1 and 2, this one and this one are not equal. So which is contradiction? Okay, so it will be wrong. Okay, so it will be false. So the second case, is false. The first case is correct because for the second case, this one and this one are not same, which is contradiction. So r f dash c equal to L f dash c. This one is equal to this one is mandatory. So only first case is correct. So in the first case, what? In the first case here, f dash c is equal to 0. Okay, for c belongs to a comma b. So here just our proof. So this one will be equal to this one and f dash c is equal to 0 where c belongs to a comma b. So our formula for Rolle's theorem is proved. I think you understand. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.